guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I have something very special which I'm gonna show you. And first of all, I'm really sorry I was gone for a while, but it's gonna cover it all, I promise. So today I'm here with an unboxing of my new phone. I got a new phone. I'm so excited to open it, to unbox it with you guys. So this is the phone. What it looks like. It's the Galaxy A12 Samsung. It's from Samsung. My family have been like an Android user. I have never used an iPhone. I don't like it either. So now let's unbox it. Okay, so it's like a box. It opens like that. I don't know what you call it. So this is how it looks like. Okay, fancy. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It says Samsung and like this thing which I have no clue what you call. So it looks like. It has some papers and stuff. My god, it's the phone. Yes. A12. Okay, so it says it has a 6.5-inch display. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm so scared that I will drop it because I drop everything all the time, and has a quadruple camera and a fingerprint. So now like I would have a phone quadruple camera, and now I'm like my videos quality is gonna be really good. Okay, it comes with a screen protector installed. My god, guys, I got it in black because like black is one of my favorite colors, and unlike white that much. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I mean, so nice. And guys, I got the version of, let me see the box. I got the one in the 64 GB storage and the 4 GB RAM because I need storage, of course, for my videos. And like now I'm gonna edit on this and like make my thumbnails, because like I feel it really annoying and like irritating to like edit my videos on my laptop. So yeah, now let's turn it on, guys. You could see the ring light. Okay, it's turning on. Now I'm gonna wait for it to turn on, then I'm gonna set it up, and now let's see the box. This is how it looks like. Oh, okay. It has a adaptive fast charging adapter. It has like this SIM ejection pin, sorry, pin. Okay, it has like a charging cable, and I have some headphones. So click. Okay, I like it. Oh, okay, it's turned on. Okay, now I'm gonna set it up, and I'm gonna be back in like a minute. So guys, now I'm finally done with the setup and everything. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Okay, it looks I said this like the wallpapers was like I find it really cute and like cool. And like one more thing, I'm also gonna show you one more. This is like my old phone. It's all like cracked and stuff. I dropped it so many times. So it looks like the comparison, guys. Ooh, okay, that's very big. Let's do it like that. Okay, it's very big, and the camera is only like one camera. Okay, that's really nice. And like you see, it's like the button one, and it's like a touch screen display. That's so nice. Like I love it so much. So now I put my favorite theme on. I changed the icons. I'm also gonna show it to you guys. They're like this, like the gradient finish one. They're like really like pastel and like. Now let's check the camera, guys. I wish I could show it like right here, but I can't. But like I'm seeing the camera is so nice. Okay, I'm definitely gonna record on this one. It even has a wide angle lens. How cool is that? Wow. Okay. Oh, it even has a selfie wide angle lens. That's so cool. Wow. It's amazing. So guys, this was it for my video. Hope you liked it. Just a mini unboxing, and comment down below if you liked it. And subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and bye. See you next